Good afternoon, traders. And sorry, I was very busy in the last days and I was unable to upload some videos. Okay, guys, so let's review our new indicator. Okay, you know that I already have posted 2 to 3 videos about this indicator that we have newly launched. Okay, guys, so I'm going to review this indicator because this is the very professional trading tool, and this does not give you shocks like other indicator because that's a very simple technique in which I have made this indicator. Okay, guys. So first of all, let me tell you that FX Mentor US provides the professional indicators at one platform. If you visit my website fxmentorus.com, and if you want to book our indicators, you can simply contact us through Telegram, and you can also email us, and the emails are provided on the website. And you can visit our indicators from the indicator section. But soon, this indicator, the big players target blueprint, will be soon uploaded to the website as well. Okay, now guys, if you just look at this indicator, it consists of three levels that you can see: orange, green, and the blue level. And trust me, this indicator is best and the best because there is no indicator that is going to perform more than this indicator. And I will prove you in this video. I will show you each and everything. Okay, and the second thing in this indicator is the moving average. Okay, so we basically do not plan our trades from the top, and like you can see that after touching the red zone, the price has already made a two candles drop. No, okay, we will not sell from here. What we will do, basically, we will wait for the market to touch the red level or the blue level. So for example, the market touched the blue level here. You can see it touched here, and now you can see we have the crossover from the couple of moving averages. And if the two moving averages give you a first crossover, then first of all you will be targeting the green area. Okay, and then you will see the behavior of the market, and until unless if the price action comes below the moving average, then only you can sell. Otherwise the market will make a retest here, and then it is going to definitely target the next level that is available at the top, and you get a very swing ride. Okay, I'm going to show you practically these things, and you will be simply amazed at how powerful this indicator is. Okay, right now if you look at pound JPY, you can see after the crossover we have seen a bullish ride up to here. Okay, and another bullish crossover, you can see the market had targeted the green area, and we will keep on making our money just following this indicator. Let's go to gold. Okay, so if we look at gold, and you will be simply amazed. Okay, now just look at here. You can see the two moving averages already crossed over each other, and the gold is pumping up. So why it's pumping up? Because it's going with the intention to target the first level that is available here. Now this is your gap in between that you can make your profits very well. Okay, and this indicator does not dodge you like the other indicators. Okay, now just look at this one. Once the market is rejected from the blue zone, then you can see we have a crossover. First of all, targeted the green area, and almost it has targeted the USD CHF. This trade has expired. I'm going to show you practical examples because this is not theoretical like other indicators. You can see the market slow down on the blue level, and right now we have the two crossovers. You can see the market is exactly targeting this area, and if the retest will be done here, then its next target can become here. So always judge the market at the green level, that what the market is going to do here. Okay, now let me show you more examples. Let's go to EuroCAD. Okay, so what is EuroCAD doing? And you will be simply amazed. Just look at the market, where the market is coming from. Actually, the market is coming from the red level. So here we have the bearish crossover here, and then you can see first of all the market has traded the mid level. Okay, and now you can see the market has given the close, and until unless the price keeps below the moving average, then what we are going to target, in that case we are going to definitely targeting the next level, because these levels are based on the big players. Okay, now just look at this scenario. The market is coming from the downward side, and already it hit the red level, and this trade is already expired. And right now the market is coming from the upward side, and if the price action pushes below, then we are going to target the blue level. Otherwise, if it is keeping on play, if it is playing here, then we will keep on buying, and we can simply go with the direction of the market. Now this indicator works on everything. Like if you are trading bank nifty, you can see we have the bullish crossover, the price is up, and you can simply go with that. Okay, US 30, I can show you more examples. Okay, Okay, US 30, you can see it's basically coming from the upper side, and right now it's above the moving averages. But do not forget, the market is coming from the upward side, so there are more likely chances if the price pushes below the moving averages, then it is going to target the blue level. So this is the extraordinary indicator that we have developed, and you can use this indicator on anything like Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming from the upward side. We have the bearish crossover here. You can see price first of all tested the green level, and then you can see the price has finally reached to the final take profit. So this is the superb indicator, and you will never see such type of indicators in future, because they are developed after a great hard work. You can see even on Dogecoin, this trade is expired because this is level to level trading. So guys, if you want to book this lifetime version of this indicator, contact on Telegram. The link is provided in the description of this video below, and soon this indicator will be listed on our website fxmentorus.com. You can contact through Telegram. You can also send your emails, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe, share, and thank you very much.